Dodge fans, we've got some big news. The legendary HEMI V8 might be making a comeback in the all-new Dodge Charger. If the electric Charger Daytona didn't spark your interest, this might just fire things up. Dodge has been pushing electric muscle, but let's be real, many hardcore Moper fans have been craving that V8 rumble, and now it looks like Dodge is listening. According to Moper insiders, Dodge engineers are actively working on bringing back the HEMI V8 to the Charger lineup, and it could be here as soon as late 2026. The Hurricane inline-six is already impressive, offering up to 550 horsepower. But if Dodge brings back the HEMI, expect even more power and that unmistakable V8 growl. So what kind of firepower are we talking about? The last gen 5.7-liter HEMI pushed out 372 horsepower, while the 6.4-liter Scat Pack cranked it up to 485. With today's performance wars, Dodge isn't just going to bring back the HEMI without upping the game. We could see revised power figures, potentially taking it well past 500 horsepower. So why is Dodge bringing the V8 back? Simple enthusiasts weren't sold on the electric Charger Daytona. The lack of a true muscle car soundtrack and the push toward EVs left some fans feeling left out. Dodge thrives on raw, American horsepower, and they know their audience. If these rumors are true, it means the brand is committed to giving enthusiasts what they really want, and it's not just the Charger. Rumors are also swirling that the Ram 1500 will get the HEMI V8, again both the 5.7-liter and the 6.4-liter versions. Plus, a new TRX could be on the way with even more power than before. So, what do you think? Will the return of the HEMI make the Charger great again, or are you still all in on electric muscle? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more muscle car news.